If you do a lot of screen recording videos, particularly say tutorials or things that you need to highlight where you do your mouse clicks and where you want to add some additional information, then this software called FocuSee might be something for you to consider. In this video, I'm going to talk about what I like about FocuSee and some of the dislikes as well. My name is James and I do various video tutorials and software review to help you enhance your life to be more effective. Okay, so when you start FocuSee, this is what you will see. You can have a choice to record full screen, a custom square or a window. You have the option to put a webcam and a microphone as well as headphones. So I'm just going to turn them all off. However, you can use them if you choose to. And I am just going to record my full screen. Okay, click on it and you can see right at the bottom here, you still have the option, and when you are ready, you can hit the record button. You have a timer here. Now I'm just quickly going to record my website. For example, I want to show people to see where to find my courses. I say go to jameswu.net and you can click on courses. Click on courses and you will see all my courses here which are hosted on Gumroad. For example, my official shortcut training. So let's just go back into this site and I am going to stop the recording, and this is where things really happen. Now this is FocuSee's editing page. Now I haven't done anything yet. You can see that as I record, alright, the AutoZoom here will happen automatically. There's no editing done at this stage. Now all the zooms have been created automatically by FocuSee. Let's pause this. If you find that the zoom is too much, you can actually control it. Let's say for example this one, I do not want it to zoom. I can click on the zoom and reduce the zoom level to say 1.6 so that it is not so jarring for my viewers. Now if I do not want this zoom, I can also just remove it by deleting the zoom. Okay. Now if I want to add a zoom, I can hover over and add a zoom by just selecting this, and a zoom is added as well. Okay, right at the canvas size, you have the option to keep it as original. You can do widescreen if you prefer, or you can actually change it to square or whatever format that you prefer. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as original. Padding, if you want to increase it, the roundness of this part can be changed as well. Now one thing that is most impressive is the zoom in motion blur. Okay, I prefer it to be lesser so you can change that. And the cursor movement. Okay, so I prefer to have a slow cursor movement, so that way when your video plays, your cursor won't move so fast. Makes it easier for people to follow. Alternatively, if you are targeting your video or your tutorial for younger people, you may want to have it faster or slower. That's up to you. You can also change it in customly, the tension, the friction, and etc. Same as the movement as well, whether you want it to be fast, slow for the zoom and pan. Now when it comes to your cursor, you can change it. So right now, this is the default cursor. Okay, so you can change it to have a spotlight, or you can even have, say, a ripple. So when you have a ripple and when you click on something, you will show it this way. Okay, it makes things so much easier and reduce your editing just so much faster. Alright, there's also things like audio enhancement as well. If you want to do it, you want to enhance it. I'm not going to touch so much on it. If you think that the clip is too long, you can also edit this by trimming the front and the back so that your video is shorter. One of the things I do not like so much is the export, which takes quite a fair bit of time to export even for a short video. Overall, I find that FocuSee is a very useful software. It will definitely enhance editing, especially if you're doing tutorials or when you want to highlight something on your website or on the software, which I do quite a lot. Instead of manually adding in the zooms and the pans, this just makes it so much more easier. And this is the result of that video. Okay. You only pay $70 for a single computer use, either Windows or Mac. for lifetime usage until the next version is created. Now this software, it is not a software as a service, so you actually download and install it in your computer. If you want to have a second computer, it costs more. And there's also an educational discount as well as a trial offer for 30 days. So if you want to give this a go, I suggest that you can just try and see whether this is something that can shorten your workflow if you are making a lot of videos. I hope that this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and check out what's on the screen right now for using other video editing software